Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this ALCATEL device. First of all, open settings. Now scroll down, choose security and tap on screen lock. Then pick one of the lock methods, swipe pattern pin no password and click at the chosen one. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, draw my pattern, click next at the bottom right corner, draw it again and tap confirm. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Pick one of the options, for example, don't show any notifications, and click done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!